I did just want to first take a step back and just talk about the Power Platform and what it has enabled business users to do from like Power BI or Power Apps and Power Automate. Chris and Todd, do you want to elaborate more on how much these platforms have helped businesses?
Sure. I'll first talk about with Power BI. So Power BI has really enabled business users that, a lot of times we see typically using Excel for doing data analytics. It really helps the whole process of gathering, cleansing your data to make sure you've got the data we need for reporting. And then really helps to enhance the creation, the distribution of this information to end users, and does it in a very interactive way with security considerations in mind. And ultimately, if we bring all this together nicely, can really help automate processes that typically for a lot of business users have been very manual over the course of time. So that's the dream when it comes to Power BI and using it within the Power Platform. The next trick is then elevating people's skills and governing it properly, which once again kind of goes back to the sky's the limit.
And from the Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Assistant, the Power Platform is broad. And these pieces, just like Chris had mentioned, the sky is the limit with them as well. And a huge advantage, a huge strength of this low code, no code, and in particular, the Power Platform from Microsoft, is that it allows the business to go from idea to deliverable, idea to automation or app in such a short time frame. The Power Platform overall, it contains Power BI, it contains Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Assistant. It's broad. And the same advantages, the same strengths that Chris had mentioned for Power BI, this also exists for Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent. This lets the business take their ideas, make them reality in such a quick fashion. This is hyper agile development. This lets them take a backlog of ideas of these opportunities that are just waiting to add value to the business, and they can execute on those.